managed alone $1 billion portfolio for banks. I lived 6 years in New York, 6 years in London, worked in finance. I have a PhD in math and 3 masters in financial engineering. And in this video, I will tell you how to build your first $5,000 portfolio. The approach I recommend is an approach bullish toward tech, which is the industry that brings the most innovation today. I recommend allocating 30% of your investments toward long-term buys and hold. So these should be stocks that you hold for the long run. When I say long run, I mean more than 1 to 2 years. Things like Apple, Nvidia, and Meta, which together, all the three together, represent 20% of the S&P 500. So you're already over-allocating 10% here. Then I would recommend allocating 60% into midterm signals. So things like 3 to 6 months hold, if not 1 year. This should be diversified across industries, some tech, biotech, fintech, energy, cross ownership, some retail stocks like Palantir, some institutional stocks like Apple, some insider stocks like Walmart, but also across strategies. And then you should have 10% allocated to short-term strategies. This 10%, you can afford to take leverage on them. So you can afford to trade options and not limit yourself to stocks. And these short-term strategies are things that are highly predictable over the short term, but not over the long run. So things like jumps, like momentum trades, like politician trades, like hypes,